Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome to Paris. Well, actually, 241 Paris Street in San Francisco, my new marvelous listing in the vibrant Excelsior District. You guys are going to love this. This one is an absolute winner. This house originally was built in 1908. It's over 100 years old. But when I sold this to my clients years ago, it was completely reimagined for the new century. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 8284 square feet. 3 levels, and my God, this is just completely turnkey. Come on inside. Was I kidding or not? Look how open concept, bright and beautiful this main living level is. 9-foot ceilings, recessed lights, dual pane windows. Right when you open the door, you're hit with this gorgeous architectural beauty of this steel rail. Look at this, great space for art or a big TV, flush built-in fireplace with this beautiful wood. It spills right over into this dining room, and look, when I sold this to my clients years ago, this didn't exist. They custom built this cabinet and shelf in here with this fabulous chandeliers. Well, since we're in my kitchen, great features about this: 6-gas grill, all Viking appliances, which include an under-counter microwave, dishwasher. I love the soft close here. Ooh, right? And this herringbone white tile, which goes from the counter straight up to the ceiling. Marvelous. These pendant lamps, breakfast counter. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful. I don't cook, but now I want to. Front wing of the house. The back wing is the private part where you have a full bathroom here for your guests, actually, a bedroom / office behind me, and then to my left is one of 3 en-suites. That pretty much sums up the main level. Let's ascend the escalier to the top floor and check it out. Oh, I like this accent wall. It matches my outfit. All right, here I am on one of the top floor en-suites. This one's the larger one, so it's perfect for another bedroom. It could be an office or rec room upstairs. It overlooks the gardens with its foliage and blue sky. It's perfect multi-use room, and it's got a closet and a bathroom. This is the last of 3 en-suites in this house. Check it out. Again, you can tell by the ceiling this was an old attic, but it's gorgeous. Recessed lights, plenty of storage space, great area for a bed or maybe a TV, and you got this beautiful view of the blue sky in Glen Canyon Park. Ground floor is the game changer. This is what makes this house extra special. Right now it's used as a media family room, but clearly because it has its own entrance, wet bar / potential kitchenette, its own bathroom, and 2 bedrooms back there, this whole level could be a fantastic in-law. Place for boomerang kids, maybe you're visiting family or whatnot. My clients' nannies live here. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I would live here. Let's talk about the neighborhood. The Excelsior is super vibrant and super convenient. You're practically equidistant from 2 BART stations, Glen Park and Balboa Park. You have a 92 walk score, plenty of shopping, eateries on Mission, and even around Glen Park. I mean, you'll never be bored. All right, that pretty much is the tour of 241 Paris Street in San Francisco. Guys, did I lie to you? This place is phenomenal, right? The size, the location, the move-in readiness. I mean, what's not to love? Give me a ring anytime for a tour, and I'm happy to meet you here. Okay, until next time, bye now. Or as they say in French, à bientôt. Oh, meow.